Welcome back, everyone. After breakfast, we had the opportunity to go to Lake Akan to go ice fishing for wasasage, or smelt. It's a smaller size smelt than here in the United States. And after the ice fishing, we went to lunch at the Noboribetsu, a local restaurant. The food was excellent. In fact, every restaurant we've eaten since we've been in Hokkaido, all the food were delicious. After lunch, we stopped at the Meiji Cheese Factory. Filming was not allowed in the factory. Look closely while I film this picture. When I moved, the picture moved also. It's pretty neat. After we left the Meiji Cheese Factory, we made a brief stop at the Ryugetsu Sweetpie Factory. They're famous for their gift sets of cookies and pastries. I bought a few pastries and they were delicious. I highly recommend, if you're in Hokkaido, to stop at the Ryugetsu Sweetpie Factory. Once we arrived at our hotel and changed into our dinner attire, we all met downstairs for a kaiseki dinner. Kaiseki is a traditional multi-course Japanese dinner. Kaiseki cuisine is an artful culinary tradition. Kaiseki dining etiquette: show proper respect, use chopsticks correctly, and having the last word. The basic rule to use is your right hand for the chopsticks and your left hand for the bowl. After lunch, we went to the National Ainu Museum. It officially opened in July 12, 2020. The mission is to promote understanding and awareness of Ainu history and culture of Japan and elsewhere out of respect of the dignity of the indigenous Ainu people, while contributing to the creation and development of the new aspects of the Ainu culture. I highly recommend you visit, while in Hokkaido, the National Ainu Museum. After the museum, we stopped by for the EggVillage Mothers. They sell fresh eggs and baked goods and pastries. The demons in Noboribetsu, known as the Ryugetsu. These demons are guardians of the Noboribetsu hot springs. Their role is to fight off bad spirits and bring happiness to people. Where they're not banishing evil with swords or giant batons, they're doing so through summer fireworks displays. Before heading to the Shikoku International Airport, we went to and stopped by to explore the Lake Shikoku Ice Festival, a fantastic world of ice featuring various snow and ice sculptures created from the water in the nearby lake. Majority, in fact all of the ice sculptures we could not go into due to the melting ice, so we just walked around. But overall, it was a nice to see the ice sculptures. After walking around the Shikoku Ice Festival, we were really cold, so we decided to stop at this little coffee shop called the Log Bear. It was quite an experience in there. They were very friendly, and they had coffee, hot chocolate, all the warm drinks that you could ever need when you're cold. Some fish. We arrived at Shikoku International Airport to check in our flight to Tokyo. We're not leaving Japan. We have 3 more nights in Tokyo, and we'll be staying in Yokohama, Japan, and we'll be staying at the Yokohama Bay Sheraton Hotel and Towers. I highly recommend, if you're planning a trip to Japan, to add Hokkaido to your itinerary. There's a lot to do in the wintertime or the summertime or fall. No matter when you come, it's a good time to go to Hokkaido, Japan. I will definitely be back. Until next time, Hokkaido, thank you very much. Thank you to all my subscribers and all who have been watching my Hokkaido videos. Thank you. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. And remember, when possible, go outside and explore. I'll see you next time in Yokohama, Japan.